1. Which global aircraft engine MRO facility was inaugurated in India on the 26th of November 2025? Safran Aircraft Engine Services India, SAESI. 2. Where is the SAESI facility located which was inaugurated in November 2025? Hyderabad. 3. Which major tri-service military exercise was conducted across western India, including Rajasthan and Gujarat, in November 2025? Exercise Trishul 2025. 4. Which nation was the focus country at the 56th International Film Festival of India, IFFI, 2025 held in November? Japan. 5. Which country won the 2025 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup final on the 2nd of November 2025? India Women's National Cricket Team, India. 6. Which chess player won the 2025 FIDE World Cup 2025 held in Goa? Javokhir Sindarov. 7. Which city was confirmed as the host of the 2030 Commonwealth Games in November 2025? Ahmedabad. 8. Which major trade fair began on the 14th of November 2025 in New Delhi under the theme, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat? 44th India International Trade Fair, IITF 2025. 9. Which state pavilion got the gold medal in the partner state category at IITF 2025? Rajasthan. 10. Which state pavilion won the gold medal in the States and Union Territories category at IITF 2025? Orissa. 11. Which Indian PSU celebrated its 50th anniversary in early November 2025 with the release of a commemorative 50 rupees coin? NHPC Limited. 12. Which survey vessel was commissioned by the Indian Navy on the 6th of November 2025? Ikshit Survey Vessel. 13. Under which new program did the government launch free-of-cost AI training for citizens in November 2025? Yuva AI for All. 14. What major environmental index saw India drop to 23rd place in 2025, as announced in November? Climate Change Performance Index 2026, CCPI 2026. 15. As of November 2025, India became the world's largest patent filer. 6th largest patent filer. 16. Which two countries did India send humanitarian aid to in early November 2025 following a disaster? Jamaica and Cuba. 17. At IITF 2025, the pavilion of which department showcased India's indigenous defense manufacturing under Atmanirbhar Bharat? Department of Defense Production, DDP, Pavilion. 18. How many players participated in the FIDE World Cup 2025 held in Goa? 206 players. 19. What is the theme of the 2025 IITF Trade Fair held in November? Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. 20. Which country's embassy pavilion got the gold medal in the foreign pavilions category at IITF 2025? Thailand Pavilion. 21. Which central bank action was noted by International Monetary Fund, IMF, when reclassifying India's FX regime in November 2025? Increased exchange rate flexibility, higher rupee volatility under new leadership at central bank. 22. As per IMF's November 2025 review, what GDP growth rate was projected for India for financial year 2025-26? 6.6%. 23. What was the exchange rate regime reclassification given to India by IMF in November 2025? Crawl-like arrangement. 24. India's foreign exchange reserves dropped to approximately how many USD billion for the week ending November 21, 2025? 688.1 billion United States dollars. 25. The 2025 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup final at Navi Mumbai ended on which date? The 2nd of November 2025.